The shoulder milling tool RM6. RM6 is a highly economical shouldering tool with 6 corners. It features reduced cutting resistance and improved chip control. Its 3-level relief surface attains highly rigid cutting edges and protects unused corners. Perfect perpendicularity between cutting edges enables precise shouldering and reduces cutting resistance to extend tool life. Inserts are available in 2 sizes for various types of machining. Clamping is extremely stable due to the clamping areas at 3 side faces and the wide bottom face of holders, as well as the powerful screws. RM6 also features streamlined holders and efficient coolant system for economical machining. Holders are available in 3 sizes to cover a wide application range. The wide minor cutting edges deliver improved surface finish. The high helix blade design minimizes cutting resistance, excelling in high-speed and feed machining. It was designed with reliable accuracy to guarantee excellent perpendicularity, shoulder surface finish, and even surface. The shoulder milling tool, RM6.